Reconnaissance and scanning. Understanding the first phase of cyber attacks. Cyber attackers follow a structured approach to infiltrate networks and systems. The first phase of any attack is reconnaissance and scanning, where attackers gather information about their targets before launching an attack. Understanding how reconnaissance works allows cybersecurity professionals to detect and mitigate threats before they escalate. What is reconnaissance? Reconnaissance, also known as information gathering, is the process of collecting details about a target system, network, or organization. This phase helps attackers identify vulnerabilities, user credentials, and network structures. Types of reconnaissance. Passive reconnaissance. Gathering information without directly interacting with the target, e.g. using search engines, social media, and OS databases. Active reconnaissance. Direct interaction with the target, e.g. scanning networks, probing ports, and sending test packets. Tools and techniques for reconnaissance. Open source intelligence, OTools. Attackers use Shodan, Maltego, and Google Dorking to find exposed systems. WOS and DNS lookup, discovering domain ownership and associated IP addresses. Social engineering and phishing, gathering credentials and sensitive details through human interaction. What is scanning? Scanning is the next phase after reconnaissance, where attackers probe the target network for vulnerabilities. This step helps them map out network resources, identify open ports, and determine exploitable weaknesses. Common scanning techniques. 1. Port scanning, identifying open network ports using tools like Nmap. 2. Vulnerability scanning, detecting software flaws with scanners like Nessus and OpenVAS. 3. Service and banner grabbing, collecting information about running services and software versions. 4. Network mapping, creating a visual representation of the target infrastructure. Hashed defensive measures against reconnaissance and scanning. 1. Limit publicly available information. Restrict unnecessary exposure on websites and social media. 2. Deploy intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDS, IPS, detect and block scanning attempts. 3. Use firewalls to block unnecessary ports, prevent unauthorized access to sensitive systems. 4. Regularly update and patch systems. Fix vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. 5. Conduct internal reconnaissance tests. Simulate attacker tactics to strengthen defenses. Final thoughts. Reconnaissance and scanning are the foundation of cyber attacks. By understanding attacker methodologies, organizations can implement proactive security measures to reduce exposure and improve defenses. In the next section, we will explore real-world case studies and countermeasures against reconnaissance attacks. Stay tuned.